Hello everyone, greetings of the day from Almighty CS. Welcome to today's video on the topic odontology module. So in this video, we will walk through each feature that helps manage dental clinics efficiently, from patient registration to procedures, dental charting and billing. So let's go to the odontology module. Herein, we can see all the list of patients. You can start by registering your new dental patient or by booking appointments as we have already covered in the basic flow of HMS. Click on new, fill in patient name and confirm it. Here in history section odontology, we have a set of questionnaire which can be filled in, or you can also edit it by clicking on add a line or by simply going to configuration and configure the questionnaire from here also. Now go to the treatments which is used to plan dental procedures step by step for a patient and helps to track what is planned, what is ongoing and what has been completed. So add a treatment detail like fixed bracket, fill in the patient name, physician name, in date, primary doctor name, and other information. You can also see the prescribed patient for the patient from related appointments of treatment here. Click on confirm. We can also create patient procedure on treatment. Click on add a line. Select the procedure, tooth, surface, and other information also. We have also an option to create combined invoice for all these procedures, and when this treatment for this patient will end, click on done. Now we will see the dental procedure menu. These are the actual services or operations performed on a patient. Like we created for Neeta Kesha, we can fill in the information herein, select the disease and add the consumed product and services here and click on running, and when it done, click on done and create invoice for it. In procedure menu, we can create and manage all dental procedures which is available in the hospital. Simply click on new, add the name of the product and services section, sales price for this service and other relevant information you can choose from here. And from appointment also procedure can be done if you want to manage without treatment. Under the configuration menu, you will find essential setup options for customizing your dental workflow like medical questionnaire, dental questionnaire, tooth and tooth surface. In medical questionnaire, you can add medical history questions that will appear during the consultation. In dental questionnaire, you can customize dental questions to collect key information before treatment planning. In tooth, you can add and customize the tooth information, and in tooth surface, you can define and label surfaces for accurate dental charting and documentation. So, this is how the odontology module provided by Almighty CS bring precision and ease to every dental clinic, from recording patient data to tracking procedures and managing bills. Everything is connected, clear and paperless. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching till the end.